Hello peoples! Today is Wednesday. So this is it. This is the day. Ayan, ngayon na kami sign in. Sign in ba tawag dun? Basta, ngayon na kami sasampa ng barko. Yun na lang, sasampa ng barko. Alis kami dito ng 10 a.m. Kasi daw, nagpapapasok na sila ng 11 a.m. So, kailangan, mas maganda na mas maaga kami na naman dun. Though malapit lang naman kami, 9 minutes away lang tong hotel namin dun sa port. Ka-ready na tayo. Ayan, suot lang natin to yung Love Bonito, tapos yung shorts ko na, skirt ko na white. Tingnan, kaya pa ba? Okay lang yun. Pero, hindi siya planchado. So, may mga kalat pa sa likod kasi last ko nang pinapack yung maleta ni Daddy. So, mas last to yung laman ng aming hand carry kasi pinak ko karamihan. So, yun si Flory, naglalaro. Ayan, tapusin ko lang to guys kasi meron na lang kaming 15 minutes. Ready na ang baby. Laki na niya guys. Tignan niyo. Laki na niya. Pa-check out na kami. Naka-orange pa kami pareho ni Flory.
Are you trying to go on Daddy's private yacht?
Private yacht? Is that your private yacht?
Yeah, I did, sorry.
Private yacht. It's a private yacht. Are you ready to go on a cruise? The youngest cruiser. Youngest cruiser.
Really?
I don't know, maybe. But there's a place for babies, for children, and for teens. I think MJ will be there every day.
No,
Barney,
he wants to be there. That's like when Only Fools and Horses, where they took Rodney on the...
what? Nag-aantay na lang kami ng taxi.
Yep.
This is nahihiya. Tingnan mo itsura, nahihiya. We're going on a cruise. Nasa taxi na kami, guys.
Welcome to Dublin.
Ganyan siya kalaki, guys.
Oh, I get this.
It's huge.
This
It's a big cruise. See? It's like a building. It's like a building. Yan, nilalagyan na ng tag.
yeah.
Nilalagyan na ng tag. Ayan yung cruise, guys. Yay! This is it! Oh my God, this is it, guys! Totoo na to! Totoo na to! Yan, priority kami kasi may kadala kaming little one. Yan, hatid mo lang kami dyan, tapos puntahan mo na sila para... So we got our medallions. With our name on it. May pangalan. Kay Flory din, hindi ko napakita.
And that's it.
Ayan yung kuya ko. Ito yung medallion namin. Madedetect ko si James kung pupunta siya sa sa club. I can detect if you're going to a strip club.
This is it. Oh my God.
Ito na guys, papasok na kami. Guys, napakalaki niya. Oh my God. Ga-building. There. Oh my God. It's a dream come true. Thank you, my love. Ang laki niya guys. Sobrang laki. Para kaming maliit na ant. It's Papa Barney's house. Tingnan mo yung itsura niya.
First, there's no tug. Does that mean no money?
Hello! High five, Flory! Who's that? She's smiling. Who's that, Flory? Who's that? Yeah.
Welcome aboard. Everybody has
Hello.
today at
Okay, thank you. Hello po.
That's David. He's one of the dancers. I told that. Say hello to David.
Hi, David.
Hey guys, welcome. my family. My sister. Nice to meet you.
Adopted.
My adopted sister. See you, man. I'm gonna change.
Na. It's your birthday. So, dyan yung master station namin in case of emergency. Dyan daw kami pupunta.
Walking, guys.
So, we're gonna check the theater. We'll check the theater. Ito yung kung saan nagpe-perform yung kapatid ko.
This is Ate Anaya. This is where MJO can enroll the underworld team club.
Ah. ayaw sabi ni James.
So very happy.
Later.
Ooh, beautiful. Ito yung theater, guys. Oh my God. Lovely.
Here's
Beautiful.
Amber, one of the dancers. You'll see her tomorrow.
Hi, Amber. Hi.
It's Flory.
So yan guys, may casino din siya sa loob. Ayan. Casino. Oo, kanya-kanyang vlog to.
Kanya-kanyang
Diba? Ang taray, anim yung lift. Ay, tama. 3 sa right, 3 sa left. Tapos ayun yung casino. Diba? Ga-building. So, ito yung casino, guys. May dalawang makulit sa harap. Parang yung baby susunod sa kakulitan. Ay, hello! Finally! Hinahanap lang namin yung room nila Ate Anaya.
Parang hindi sila, ano man tawag dito?
Na-adjust kasi.
Babe, our room looks like that.
Parang hindi sila mainit ba?
Ang layo ah.
Nasa middle ka daw kasi gusto ng lolo mo nasa gitna.
Oh, ay, nakapasok na daw yung isa. Ay, nilak kayo.
Daddy!
No, press your medallion.
Nilak mo daw, Calderon. Ay.
Itness.
Guys, free yan lahat. Oh, 24/7. Oh my God.
Lolopok tayo.
Saya nung ate ko sa Lafang.
Anything that you see outside.
Flory's there. Yan.
Okay.
Kuya Barn, private ba yung nasa labas? O hindi? Ah, okay. Pwede tayo dun.
Sala-sala tayo doon.
Kanyang kalaki. Malaki yung buffet nila dito. Isang buong level. Grabe guys, sobrang daming pagkain. Ate Anaya, kanin daw. May kanin po kayo dyan. Yan ang asawa ko.
Turkey and gravy and then some minute steak.
There's always
Good.
Hi people.
Hi people. Ito kay Flory, pero ako yung kumakain. Ayan siya, oh. Sarap ng kain niya. Lafang na, lafang. Mamaya po ako.
Ate, kadami pagkain.
That's our Foggy Daddy. We're at the back of the ship. Tapos ayun yung Infinity Tour. Nasa Athens pa rin kami guys. Tingnan niyo yung view. It's so beautiful. Sorry anak, nagising ka. Nagising namin sa loob. Nagising siya. Okay lang. Okay lang. Ito guys, another buffet area. So, mostly American food daw. Burgers, fries. Daming pagkain. And American diner.
Angel, what is he going
Emjo,
Go ahead, we're gonna go up.
we're going to the Teen Club.
Where is he?
Ito guys yung pool area.
Hindi man yet pwede niya siya.
Ito yung mga nakikita ko talaga sa ano. Ganito. Oh, pool. Oh my God. I can't wait.
Later in the middle.
I can't wait. Ayan na ate, jacuzzi yung nang maano ka, bulalok ka dyan. Gusto daw niya mag-jacuzzi sa init.
Mamayang gabi pag naglalayag tayo, maganda.
So later, go sit in front. Kaya, then, kasi doon kami perform eh.
Uy, nice. This is the Araneta Coliseum Dome. Nagsha-show din kayo dito? Ang ganda oh, guys. Look.
And then,
Ganda.
there's another one with the jacuzzi at the back.
Okay. Why adults only? Kasi you can drink. You can chuk-chak. You can do chuk-chakan din.
Yeah, it's big area over there. There's the deck and stuff. Just only that part. But good with it.
Adult pool daw yan. Bawal ako dyan.
Because it's more,
Yan, nandyan kami ngayon, naglalakad kami. Nandito kami sa midship, bandang dito. Yan, nandyan kami ngayon naglalakad.
Ilang ano to, 21 floor?
Yes.
Watch the safety video on your state-of TV
What are you gonna do?
or on your personal
Take a
device.
picture of the picture set.
Video.
Hey!
I think 12 to 1 and 5:30, 6:30, right?
So dito ko dadalhin si Flory everyday, mga itig isang oras para mapagod. Ayun. Babe, might ah.
You guys settle down.
Ah! Hey! O sige, pahinga ka na Kuya Barn. Mamaya na lang. O, see you later.
Bye.
Bye-bye,
See you, man.
Papa Barney. Bye, Kuya Barney. Ingat. Ingat. See you later.
17.
Yes. Pahinga ka na. Punto.
Okay na tong room niyo.
Oo, okay na
Use the
to.
toilet. It's good enough.
Yeah, okay na to. Sige na.
It's good.
Ingat ka. See you later.
Where's the light?
Para makatulog ka pa.
Sleep.
Bye-bye, love you. So guys, ito ang ating bedroom. So yung door. Tapos meron kaming medallion na ito yung gagamitin mo para ma-open yung door. Hindi na ako lalabas kasi si Flory nandito. So yan, gagamitin mo para ma-open yung door. Tapos meron kami ditong ayan. Tapos may drawers dito, 3. Room tour. And then, meron kami nito. Ito, magsasampay ako ng mga damit dito para hindi nakakaalat yung gamit namin. Yan. Huwag nang buksan, anak. Huwag nang buksan. Excuse me. Yan. Tapos, merong vanity area. Meron ding upuan. Tapos, may drawers din dito. Meron yata kaming fridge. Ayan, may fridge sa ilalim. May blow dry. Wala lang initan ng tubig. Kasi sa bagay, malapit lang naman kami sa eatery. So, kung kailangan ko ng hot water, pwede kang kumuha doon. Tapos, eto, kasi pwede dito 4 na tao. So, nabababayan yung bed na yan para yung ibang family members pwedeng humiga dyan. So, tig-isa kami ni James, tabi kami ni Flory. Wala kaming window, guys, kasi ito yung pinakamura na in-avail namin. Yan, tapos may drawers dito sa side table. Yan, may TV din sila at andun ang aming itsura. So yun, maliit lang siya pero enough for us. Meron ditong full mirror. Yan, pwede tayo mag-OOTD dito. Tapos yung toilet pakita natin mamaya kasi may binibinyagan. Tapos si Florin, lalaruan na naman yung sapatos ng daddy niya. Favorite niya yan. Ayun guys, so mag-unpack lang ako ng mga gamit namin para din mas madali kong mabihisan si Flory at saka panali din ako makapagbihis. And also, yung space namin, it's not big enough. Kaya mahirap yung maleta. Kaya dapat naka-unpack yung gamit. Yun lang. See you later. So, yun na, nag-chill si Flory sa kanya. They're chilling. Siyong! Baho ni Daddy. Daddy baho? No? No?
We're helping with unpacking by staying out of the way.
Yeah. Yes, nag-unpack ako. Nilalagay ko lahat. Good job. Thank you for helping out. So, ito guys pala yung aming toilet. Basic. Nabinyagan na ni James yung toilet. Tapos meron kami nito. Face towel.
Tell them what I did in there.
I already told them. Sabihin ko daw kung anong ginawa niya. Tapos meron kaming bath towels there. Ayan, ang ganda ng toilet, ang ganda ng flooring. Tapos, shower. Diba? Perfect na to. Para sa amin for 10 days. Ang ganda ng CR na to. Mas malaki pa tong CR na to kasi dun sa CR namin sa Hong Kong na yung sa apartment namin. Mas malaki pa to. Ito na, nilagay ko na yung toiletries ni Tori. Lumabas kami ulit ng room kasi gusto ni James. Yung paper, where did you eat the paper? Kasi mag-join kami nung spa tour tapos may chance kang manalo ng $500 worth na spa. Nagbabaka sakali lang si James. Chill lang kami dito, guys. Nandito kami sa lounge. Wala kasing signal sa loob ng room. Dito na lang muna kami. Nagising yung baby ko, nagising.
win $500. Gonna buy some scratch cards.
You wish. We hope you will. We hope. Gising na yung baby ko. Pagod na pagod to.
Are y'all doing today? Woo! Ready to win some prize.
Talagang gusto niyang manalo na yung $500.
Can we do that?
We'll see, babe.
I'm gonna be giving.
Nagulat si Flory.
Get some prizes.
Ayan, guys. We're ready. Teka lang. Ayan, we're ready. Ay, deodorant. Yun si Flory. Pareho na naman kami ng kulay. Hindi ko sinadya. Babe, don't! Your daughter is down there, oh. So, ito ang outfit natin. Nag-chinelas lang ako. Manonood kami ng show ng 6:30. Tapos, diretso kami ng dinner ng 7:30. Nag-book kami ng table for the dinner.
I decided to wear the same outfit. I decided to wear the same outfit that I was wearing earlier for the environment. Okay,
Okay.
recycle, guys.
How about Flory? Flory, show us your outfit. Yay! Order talaga. Always cost of milk.
I'm disabled.
So, ganito yung lift, guys. Pe-press nyo lang dyan kung ano yung tag dito, level. Tapos yun na. Go-open na. Sorry. Who's that? Who's that?
That means that is someone too here.
I'm not sure. Someone.
Ano ba? Ito yung view namin. Dinner with the social climbers. So dinner time guys. Mahaba-haba itong vlog natin ngayon.
Well, that's my understanding because there's
Ito yung
nothing
dinner
written.
natin.
Otherwise, it should say. Oh, I imagine.
Ayan na yung aming starter. Ito sa akin feta cheese na salad. Caesar salad yung kay James. Masarap yung kay Kuya Barney. Crab daw.
$5 a day.
Yan pala guys yung order ko. Yung pork. Kay Daddy. Steak. Tapos gising na ang princess. Titigan lang niya yung gulay. Guys, paalis na yung barko. Ayan na. Gumagalaw na. So, kain na kami ng dessert. Nag-aantay na lang kami ng dessert. We're just waiting for our dessert. Who's your dessert? No, there's a bata. Ayan yung aming
Well, cheesecake doesn't taste.
love boat. Tapos kay
Cheesecake
Daddy
doesn't
cheese
taste.
platter.
It depends what cheese you have.
Ayan, nag-chill kami ngayon dito sa likod. Yes. Saan naman daw next?
This area, there's not a lot of...
Oops! Look at that, guys. Paalis na kami ng Athens. Ayun, guys. Yun na ating vlog for today. Ang daming mga nangyari, no? So, ayun. Sobrang saya ko talaga kasi nakapag-cruise ako. Tapos, andito pa yung kuya ko. Mapapanood ko mag-perform sila ng partner niya. Tapos, kasama ko si James at saka si Flory and Ate Anaya. So, sobrang special talaga nitong cruise na to. So, ayun, matagal-tagal tayo dito. 10 days tayo. So, madami akong may share sa inyo. At, ayun, medyo mahirap ang internet kasi sobrang mahal ng internet dito sa barko. So, baka makapag-upload ako mas late na kasi makakapag-upload lang ako pag natapos na tong cruise na to. So, ayun guys, salamat sa panonood. Sana na-enjoy nyo tong araw na to. Bagong adventure na naman bukas. Pa rin kami, sailing pa rin kami until tomorrow. Darating kami ng Bar Montenegro ng 11, ng July 11 ng 8 a.m. So, ayun, kita-kita tayo dun soon. Have a good night. Salamat sa panonood. Mwah.